Hi guys, this is Scott from Tired World Studio. I'm super excited to introduce our first Kickstarter campaign, Zilvren Skyhold. Zilvren Skyhold is a range of 3D printable, steampunk dwarf themed scenery for your wargaming table or RPG session. We've been working super hard on this full time for the last several months, and we need your help to bring it to market. So check out the campaign down below, and thanks heaps for watching, mates.
Introducing a new way of making. Layer blocks are 3D printable puzzles and displayable art. We are Bang, a team of architects and puzzle lovers. During the pandemic, we spent a lot of time at home, so we played around and made some patterns into 3D printable objects. In our first prototypes, we realized that 3D printing created beautiful, artful layers. So we began designing puzzles as a hobby, and Layer Blocks was born. All you need is access to a 3D printer to get started. We will offer a downloadable library of panels that you can customize. They can be used for education, decoration, or entertainment. Our layering technique opens a world of possibilities because your colors will make each puzzle unique. At Bang, we value being kind to the environment, so our main objective is to make an eco-friendly project. 3D printing at home means no deliveries, no waste, and no extras. With access to our file library, you will become the maker. We'd love your support to keep our project going. Please back us and help build the LayerBlocks community.